Alright, so this is just a little video to explain how using these equations and finding the break-even point can help with profit, revenue, and sales. So Frank's Bicycle Helmets makes bicycle helmets, and it cost $3,000 plus $12 per month to produce X number of helmets. They sell the helmets for $21 each, so how many helmets must Frank sell to break even? So the first thing we have to do is come up with an expression to represent how much is the cost to produce the helmets and how much is the revenue. What is Frank taking in with his helmet? So it cost $3,000. That's probably in equipment and machines and material, plus another $12 for each one of the helmets. So that's probably like $3,000 worth of machinery and then $12 worth of material to produce a helmet. Now revenue is how much Frank is getting for his helmets. So if he sells them for $21 each, then he gets $21 times each helmet. In order to find out how much Frank must sell to break even, we've got to find out when these two things, the cost of the helmet and the revenue of the helmet, when they equal. And so I'm going to set this equal to each other. And then it just becomes a standard equation. So I'm going to subtract 12x from this side, subtract 12x from this side. That way all of my x's are on one side of the problem. Cancels there, and I'm left with the 3,000. That equals 21x minus 12x, which is 9x. Then I have to isolate the x, so I do the inverse operation. I divide by 9, and 3,000 divided by 9, I apologize, it's late in the evening, is 333.33 repeating x. So that means that this is the number of helmets that Frank has to sell. The problem is Frank can't sell a decimal or a fraction, because this would be 1/3 of a helmet. So really we would say that once he sells 334 helmets, he breaks even. That's how many helmets Frank would need to sell to break even. So any number higher than this, any number greater than 334, Frank makes profit. Frank makes money. So that's why the break-even point is so important. It lets me know if I sell this much, if I buy this much, if I do this much, anything above that benefits me. It's more profit. Quick little lesson. Hopefully it helped. Good luck.